Good morning, guys, from Seward, Alaska. This is the long overdue review of the Champion 2800 generator. All right, so here's the deal, guys. I absolutely love this generator. It's strong enough to run the air conditioning in our old motorhome, and more than enough power to run a microwave. It is very convenient with this kind of handle here and the wheels. The size, it's big. It's definitely bigger than a 2kW. Okay, here it is, the front of the generator. It's really nice because it has, let's correct that shadow, the 30 amp plug-in right there, fuel on and off, choke, economy mode on and off, engine on and off. Over here you have a couple regular GFCI outlets, and you can parallel it, a little 12 volt. Okay, well, it's been about 7 months since I fired up this generator. The oil is fine, but just to prove to you, and literally this is the first time starting it in 7 months, it starts on the first pull every single time. Let's see if it does that after 7 months. Okay, well, maybe not. Let's get a little fuel up in there. Oh, second pull. Nice, good generator. Okay, I'm gonna let that puppy run for a few minutes, get the juices flowing. I have had problems with this generator, but what happens? It just will not start. Countless times in the Sierra. So needless to say, I'm a little curious to see what happens this morning. Let's see, choke, engine switch on, economy off, and let's give it a pull. Seriously, you want to talk about frustrating? This is it. I suppose it's worth seeing if this sucker will start today. All right, fuel on, choke out, switch on. Nope. Up here in Alaska. Okay, guys, well, it's about 20 degrees this morning, and the Champion 2800 generator has acted up, and I'm not surprised. Switch is on, econo off, choke is out, fuel is on. Nope. 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 But wait. If you're gonna own one of these, you need to travel with 2 generators and a hairdryer. Ha! Oh, see, come on. See? Okay. Ah, first pull, Charlie's back. Oh no, come on. This thing is clearly not Alaska tough or any type of bad weather tough. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the choke in because it's kind of started up a couple times. Come on, stay going, come on. Okay, let's see what happens now. Come on, keep going. What the Come on. Guys, this is clearly gonna take a while. Purr, baby, purr. With more persistence than I wanted to show on freaking camera, the generator fired up once again. I don't know about you, but this is not the generator that you're gonna want if you're gonna be camping in less than ideal conditions. Now, it normally takes 2 to 3 minutes of that procedure to dry the switch out. The hiccup with it is that you need AC power to run a hairdryer, and our motorhome had a generator, so there was redundancy in our AC electricity. But it is so ironic, and I was actually quite relieved when I could figure out what was going on because I could keep using the generator. We are driving around the world, and this Champion is not going around the world with us. We are looking at the newer Honda 2200. It even has like a 30 amp outlet. And Honda, you know, we're just not gonna mess around with these. There's Honda generators, and then there's everyone else. So we're not gonna mess around. We're gonna get one of those 2200s because they're really small, efficient, reliable machines. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.